The cryptocurrency market remains highly dynamic, with investors looking for the best opportunities. In February 2025, PayPay $0.000010 and Yeti are drawing attention for their price movements and investment potential. While PayPay continues to run as a popular meme coin, Yeti is emerging as a project that combines gaming and blockchain utility. PayPay coin price movements and market challenges. PayPay coin, PayPay, experienced a 66% decrease in value since reaching its peak price of $0.00002825 in December 2024, and now PayPay coin price is at approximately $0.00009434. The token's value declined by 20% over the last week alongside broader market conditions. According to on-chain data, there are signs of accumulation that suggest prices could bounce back because the 30-day market value to realized value (MVRV) metric shows potential recovery signals. Historical analysis of PayPay coin demonstrates price recovery between 51% and 72% during periods when the MVRV indicator reached comparable levels. The reduction in PayPay held on crypto exchanges along with ownership growth in non-exchange wallets indicates lower sell orders in the market. PayPay's current position within its demand area exhibits to noteworthy support levels at $0.000009 and $0.000085. A bullish breakout requires the PayPay coin price to break above $0.00001380 and could reach $0.00001650 as its next target price. If market conditions stabilize, PayPay could see a recovery in the coming weeks. However, breaking key resistance levels is essential for bullish momentum. Investors should closely monitor price movements and overall market sentiment before making investment decisions. Yeti's presale gains investor confidence. While Ethereum remains under pressure, Yeti is gaining attention with its structured blockchain gaming approach. In the project, 160,890,996 tokens have been sold. Unlike other meme-based coins, Yeti has practical use since it combines gaming with blockchain technology. With stage 3 just days away, the price is set to increase significantly, meaning investors who secure their tokens now will gain an immediate advantage. Due to the growing investment involvement, the presale has advanced to 60% in stage 2, which shows that there is much interest with the current price level at $0.017. The countdown to stage 3 has also begun with only 9 days remaining of this stage. Yetigo, a play-to-earn, P2E, game of the project, is being designed and built with the game engine Unreal Engine 5. The game entails racing aspects that enable the players to earn points or purchase more races from within the application. The development team consists of mostly experienced employees who are associated with high-profile game titles that boost the legitimacy of the project. To accommodate this, Yeti also has features that allow users to stake the tokens to generate income. Yeti's growth strategy and market potential. In comparison to high-risk investments, Yeti has a clear and well-structured tokenomics solution. Based on the circulation of 1 billion tokens, and with a 5%, there are strategies put in place to ensure demand comes with value. There are also staking and yield farming activities that investors can engage in to earn additional income. Security is another area for the project, and an audit by Solid Proof has been carried out. This verification has reinstated the confidence of the investors in the credibility of the project. With the gaming sector still growing, Yeti could influence interest and supply, which is highly suitable for those looking for options in the crypto sphere.